The supply chain is an integral part of business operations consisting of so many moving parts. Yet companies still lack true visibility and insights to ensure accuracy and control, let alone innovate or quickly adapt to market trends. Introducing Chainlane, a supply chain transparency platform, providing companies visibility, understanding, and control, helping them see more so they can succeed more. Chainlane shows you what's going on in your supply chain at any moment. Whether validating a product was shipped, confirming its arrival, to assessing its location or status, Chainlane's got you tagged. We help you count inventory quickly and accurately, saving time and money while ensuring orders are fulfilled as expected. So assets are received at the right location at the right time. And thanks to real data, you gain a clearer picture of the health of your operations while allowing for automated replenishment to reduce resource use and errors, improving bottom-line efficiency, workflows, and sales. In addition, since Chainlane is tech agnostic, we can utilize a combination of advanced technologies including RFID, NFC, BLE, QR, barcode, and others. Of course, as no business operates the same, our flexible platform can fit your specific needs, help overcome your challenges, and allow for a customized and personalized view of your supply chain from end to end. Chainlane's capabilities have proven successful for leading brands, leveraging our expertise, powerful partner network, and technology ecosystem to make sure the platform continues to grow in its offering, value, and global reach. Chainlane's supply chain transparency platform has proven to help retail, manufacturing, food and beverage, logistics, and others succeed more by painting an accurate picture of their operations thanks to data-driven visibility, actionable insights, and intelligent decision-making. Chainlane. See more. Succeed more.